Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are going to complete our writing assignment. So we are going to practice writing our sentences using correct spacing and letter formation. So we're going to look at this picture and we're just going to talk about it. So what do you notice? What is the boy doing? Where is he? He's in water. He's in water. He's swimming in water. So now we're going to read our sentence. The boy is swimming. So you are going to write your sentence in your notebook or a piece of paper like this. Parents, you could write it out for them, and then you could write a line for each word. Or if they're in their notebook, you're going to, again, write the words out on top, and then you're going to draw a line so that your child knows to write in there. And then you're going to take a picture and you're going to send it back to me so I could see the handwriting. And then I could give the next steps to your child. I hope that helps in completing the writing assignment.